Outdoor pizza ovens have moved beyond novelty to become serious backyard appliances that can deliver restaurant-quality pies with greater control, speed, and flavor. For many homes, a dedicated oven replaces takeout nights and expands cooking versatility to include bread, roasted vegetables, and small one-dish meals. Product number 1. Bighorn Outdoors 12-inch multi-fuel outdoor pizza oven. 3-in-1 wood-fired. The 12-inch Bighorn Outdoors multi-fuel oven is built for versatility, offering wood-fired, pellet, and, with separate attachments, gas or electric options. It ships with a compact footprint, stainless steel construction, and a 12 by 12-inch stone designed for quick setup and portability. It markets a ready in 18 to 20 minutes heat up and target temperatures near 887 degrees Fahrenheit, enabling fast pizzas with 60 to 90 seconds bake times once hot. The modular approach, pellet, gas, electric, is attractive for users who want flavor flexibility without committing to a single fuel path. Weight is around 25 pounds with folding legs, aiding transport to campsites or backyards. Performance-wise, the pellet mode can deliver that wood-fired aroma, while gas-electric options, sold separately, promise easier ignition and more stable control for busy gatherings. The 21.6-inch L by 14-inch W by 28-inch H footprint and 12-inch square pizza stone align with standard 12-inch pies, but the need to purchase separate burners may add to total cost and setup complexity. User experience benefits include simple slide-in pizza handling and the potential to cook non-pizza items like steaks or vegetables, leveraging higher heat for searing. A potential drawback is reliance on separate fuel attachments, which can complicate storage and maintenance. Also, pellet burn requires hardwood pellets kept dry and stored properly to avoid moisture-related burn issues. Product number 2. Ninja Artisan Outdoor Pizza Oven. Ninja's MO201 represents an electric-only approach with a 12-inch capacity, designed to deliver rapid, controlled pizzas with a claimed 3-minute bake time at up to 700 degrees Fahrenheit. It emphasizes 5-in-1 functionality: bake, broil, warm, proof, and pizza, a chef's view window, and precise temperature control via an LED interface. The unit is weather-resistant and includes accessories like a 12 by 12 baking stone and a bake pan, along with a built-in thermometer for real-time feedback. Its electric heat reduces flame management and permits stable, repeatable results in variable outdoor conditions. Performance evaluation highlights its precise temperature control and consistent heat distribution, which support Neapolitan and New York-style crusts when paired with the included stone. The 18-minute preheat is a factor to consider for busy cooks, but the upside is predictable results with minimal skill. Practical use cases include camping or patios where a gas line or wood fuel is impractical. A potential limitation is reliance on electricity, which constrains portability during outages or locations without outdoor outlets, though the unit's weather resistance mitigates some outdoor use concerns. Product number 3. Aid Pizza Pizza Oven Outdoor 12-inch wood-fired pizza oven's pellet pizza stove for outside. The Aid Pizza 12-inch wood-fired pellet oven is a compact portable solution built around a wood pellet burn with a built-in thermometer showing up to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 662 degrees Celsius. It emphasizes a simple foldable leg design suitable for backyard use and camping, with the goal of delivering smoky wood-fired flavor in a portable format. The product highlights multi-function capability, including steak, chicken, vegetables, and other foods, expanding beyond pizza and leveraging the balanced burn-smoke ratio of hardwood pellets. In use, the built-in thermometer helps manage cooking without extra gadgets, which supports consistency for households that don't want to track multiple temperature gauges. The 12-inch pizza capacity aligns with standard pies, and weight around 26.9 pounds makes it reasonably portable for gatherings. A few caveats include pellet storage moisture risk and the need to manage wood pellets for consistent burn quality. Some users may prefer more robust heat stability or faster heat-up times than more premium electric or gas options. Product number 4. Bighorn Outdoors 12-inch multi-fuel pizza oven. This Bighorn Outdoors model positions itself as a dual-fuel, dual-mode hybrid, combining pellet and gas capabilities with a 12-inch stone. It includes a gas burner as part of the package, enabling the oven to reach 350 degrees Celsius, which is approximately 662 degrees Fahrenheit, in about 20 minutes. The design emphasizes a rugged stainless steel build, a wooden door handle, an upgraded pellet hopper, and foldable legs for portable use. It's targeted at users who want reliable gas-assisted operation for controlled cooking, alongside pellet flavor when desired. From a performance standpoint, the dual-fuel flexibility is a strong selling point, offering predictable heat with gas and the rich smoke of pellet cooking. The included 12-inch stone helps deliver even heat and crisp crusts, while the durable construction supports year-round outdoor use. However, the need to manage 2 fuel systems means more maintenance and potential fuel-related upkeep. The total cost rises as you may want to add accessories or extra burners, depending on how you want to cook and what you already own. Product number 5. Outdoor Pizza Oven. 8 pizza 12-inch wood pellet pizza ovens with rotatable round pizza stone. Portable wood-fired with built-in thermometer pizza stove for outside backyard camping picnics. This Aid pizza model emphasizes a 12-inch rotating pizza stone, built-in thermometer, and a robust stainless steel portable design with foldable legs. The rotating stone claims to deliver evenly cooked crusts with reduced manual turning. The thermostat reads up to about 662 degrees Fahrenheit, 350 degrees Celsius for cooking, and the unit is designed for backyard or camping use with portability in mind. The combination of pellet fuel and rotating stone differentiates it from non-rotating stone setups. In practice, the rotating stone can help prevent hot spots and ensure uniform browning, which is especially helpful for thicker crusts or variable dough hydration. The built-in thermometer aids consistency without external gadgets. On the downside, the moving mechanism adds moving parts that could wear over time, and pellet fuel management remains a consideration for ongoing usage. The weight is in the 27 to 28 pound range, making it manageable for transport but not as light as some ultra-portable variants.